How to add featured photos on Facebook. Adding featured photos on Facebook is quite easy and simple. Let's get started. Launch Facebook app on your device. Ensure to log in or sign into your particular account. Now tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Tap your profile at top of the screen. Tap Edit Profile button. Scroll a bit down. Locate the option of highlights and tap Try It. Now choose any photos or videos from your camera roll, or you can select from stories as well. Once you have selected, tap Next button. Now give title to this collection. You can also add the cover picture. And now tap Save button. As you can see under highlights, we already have added featured photos on Facebook. That's it. That's how we easily add featured photos on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe and press the notification bell for more tech and tips.